Process flow. Interpaper forms the barrel type. Add warm yarn on the machine. Warp yarn goes through PVA glue groove. Weft yarn forms into net without break point. Print outer paper in 2 colors. Outer paper shapes. Press and laminate by pressing rollers. Pin precate tiny holes. Make M-hem. Cut off bags. Transport bags off the machine. This machine also can produce bottom sewn bags and bottom pasted bags. Sew bottom by industrial bag sewing machine. Paste bottom by industrial bag pasting machine.